So today we are going to introduce Moldex3D compression molding capabilities. So the outline today including first a brief introduction to the compression molding process, and next about how Moldex3D compression molding module can do, and then we will show you the studio workflow, and then it's about what's new in the current official release 2021. So for compression molding process, it's a method of molding using the mold closing force to form the product. So basically the process involves first in the open stage, we put the material. It could be the pellet, the block, the bolt, different kind of material. Then close the mold and using this closing force to form the part. Then open the mold, take out the part. So for material type, in thermal setting like bulk type and the sheet type, so we call the BMC or sheet metal compression, SMC. And the thermoplastic like pellets or sheet formed, and the other like elastomer, for example, the rubber. So about the pros and cons for injection molding, the pros including like it's a lower molding cost in comparing to the injection molding. Usually for injection molding, you need like more drop, more hot drop, more runner system, and more complicated. But the compression is more easier using the compression force, and less material waste because without this runner system, it has some fresh, but compared to injection molding, is still using less material.